Hey everyone, it's Miss Spencer. Today we'll be multiplying non-unit fractions by non-unit fractions. Laura has 2/3 of a pan of Rice Krispie treats. She gives Jenny 3/4 of the remaining pan of Rice Krispie treats. What fraction of the entire pan of Rice Krispie treats will Jenny receive? So we're trying to find 2/3 of 3/4. So remember, of means that we're multiplying. Let's start by creating a visual model to represent 2/3. Notice two parts are shaded out of the three. Now we can create a model to represent 3/4. What we're going to do is put one of these models on top of the other. The part that is shaded with both blue and yellow is going to be the amount that Jenny is receiving. So we can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts shaded with both blue and yellow. So Jenny will be receiving 6/12 since there are 12 total parts in this model. Notice here, if we simply multiply across, 2 times 3 equals 6, and 3 times 4 equals 12, we will also get the same answer as we did when we used the visual model. Let's try another one. A bakery is selling cupcakes. 2/3 of the cupcakes are vanilla. Half of the vanilla cupcakes have sprinkles on them. What fraction of all the cupcakes in the store are vanilla with sprinkles? So we're trying to find 2/3 of 1/2. Remember, of means that we're multiplying. So we're going to create visual models to represent 2/3 and 1/2. When we layer one of these models on top of the other, we can see that there are two parts shaded with both blue and yellow out of 6 total parts. So that means that 2/6 of all the cupcakes in the store are going to be vanilla with sprinkles. Notice here, if we multiply the numerators 2 times 1, we would get 2 as our answer. And if we multiply the denominators, 3 times 2, we would get 6 as our answer. So multiplying the numerators and then multiplying the denominators will get you the same answer as when we created the visual model. Now let's try to find half of 2/4. So we're going to create a model to represent 1/2 and a model to represent 2/4. When we layer these one on top of the other, we can see that there are two parts shaded with both blue and yellow out of 8 total parts. So the answer would be 2/8. Notice 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 4 is 8. Let's try one more. Here we have 2/3 times 2/3. So we're going to create a model to represent 2/3 and another model to represent 2/3. When we layer these models on top of each other, we can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 parts shaded with both blue and yellow out of 9 total parts. So the answer would be 4/9. Notice 2 times 2 is 4, and 3 times 3 is 9.